His name's Vince, my name's D, and you're watching Disney Channel.
There's an intro. welcome to our Vlogmas.
Oh no!
Hi, Concha.
Ew, you're vlogging. I can see that.
So
You tried to zoom.
there's no zoom. So this is our Vlogmas. This is Felicia. It's Rachel.
Rachel, those are the girls. Follow me, pastel pink Rachel.
And I'm Gilbert.
Gilbert?
Yeah.
Hello! Hi, it's Araya.
What's your name?
Araya. Look at my socks! Look at my socks, show my socks. Yeah!
That's so
Only because you
weird.
can't flip the camera.
I can't flip the camera.
What is this?
This is our Vlogmas.
Yeah, he's vlogging.
Oh, am I gonna be on your spam account?
His YouTube channel.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
He has
Oh,
2 subscribers. Did you see that?
What?
Wait, I really more than one.
Mr. Shelby just shook my hand, but he's wearing a Stanford sweatshirt.
This is my Vlogmas.
Okay, I gotta go.
Bye, Sophia.
That was huge.
I'm not gonna get glasses to the back. Oh, I look gross. But that's okay. People look gross.
What's the quote of the day?
It's collaboration, not copying.
It's actually really good. Plus, thanks to that,
You gotta do it. Can do it at the same time.
because she's exclusive to this.
What are we doing today?
We're taking a math quiz today.
What are you doing today?
Hi, go follow my Instagram. Put it in the links below.
Where'd John go?
Is this day 1 or day 2?
This is day 1. It's
But when are you gonna post it? Day 2 or on day 1?
Later. I'm gonna post it later.
Okay. How many viewers you got? Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Okay.